Summer Walls vanished from her home in Ben Hill Road on the 15th June 2021. Her parents, Dawn and Candus, are convinced she was abducted, but there is no proof that Summer was abducted. What are the odds that Summer was in fact abducted by a stranger from her home? Let's see what the stats say. Every 40 seconds a child goes missing somewhere in the United States. There are more than 460,000 missing children each year. Of those missing children, almost 1,500 of them are abducted. Abductions usually fall into two categories: family abductions and stranger abductions. According to a 2018 report, there are approximately 1,435 kidnappings each year. This number is an estimate, as not every case gets reported, especially as it pertains to family member abductions. It seems like family member abductions make up the majority of abduction cases. Family members abduct children in 1,230 of the total kidnapping cases. A stranger abduction is the result of a stranger taking or luring a child under the age of 17. Of the 1,435 kidnappings per year, 205 were non-family abductions. According to Dawn and Candus, they cannot think of anyone who would take Summer. No one that would want revenge, no one they owe money to, nothing. They are basically saying, she was abducted by a stranger. When it comes to stranger kidnapping, Summer does not fall into the common abduction group according to the statistics. Females aged 12 to 17 were the most commonly abducted group. Summer Walls disappeared from a remote property in Tennessee, meaning that someone needed to spot her, watch the property, find an opportunity for Summer to be alone, and not be detected by the dogs. Anything is possible, but is stranger abduction probable? TBI is looking at all possibilities, including foul play.